Hello all. So to get started with the TypeScript, the prerequisites are to check whether do you have a nodejs installed into your computer or not. To check it, write a command node -v. Okay, so it will show you which node version is installed into your computer. If you can see an error, then most possibly node is not installed. And the other option, that is maybe you have the node installed but you do not set up into your environment variables, although when you installed it, so it automatically set it into your system environment variable, but sometime in a rare cases it didn't. And the next you need to check is npm. So to check npm, you need to write this command npm -v. So you have both npm and node. If installed into your computer, then you can proceed with the next step. So to install the TypeScript, you have two way. Either you can make it available into your computer globally, or you can just make it available into this particular folder. Right now, my folder name is TypeScript path. So I have already installed as a globally, so I can use this. I can use for this particular folder. Okay, I will also show you how to install it globally, but my preference are that I can use for this particular project, this particular folder. So I can use npm I TypeScript, and then I can use a -d to as a dev dependency of this folder. Okay, so it will create install or download a TypeScript into this computer, and not computer, into this particular folder. And here I have the node module, and inside of it I have a TypeScript here. Then I can check the package.json file, so TypeScript is here. The next step is you can right here you can click and then create a new file app.ts, but you need to make sure that this time the extension of the file would be ts, not js. Ts, TypeScript. Then you can write your simple or lovable program, hello world, that all developer in this chart do. Oops, made a mistake. Gotcha. Then I need to compile, or not the compile, the actual word for the transcript for the TypeScript is transpile. So you can use TypeScript compiler to transpile this file. What is the file name? The file name is app.js. Then you can simply write it. Then it will create, you will see that suddenly a new file app.js is appear. Then all what you need to do is node app.js file, not ts. Remember, you need to transpile, or first you need to make changes into your ts file, and then make it to and put it into some process. Then it will create a new file automatically, name with having the js extension, and you need to run that js file. Okay, so you see I have the hello world here. Now let's try to write some variable. For example, constant, I can say name, and let's write without the type defined first. Name would be, oh, okay. And you see that it is a kind of red here. And if I can hover on it, constant declare block scope variable name. So you can use here the lat or var or any other thing. Okay, and one thing that we can use here is, I will tell you later. Okay, then I can use here the log, and then just try to uh, log out this name. Then I can make it to tsc app.ts. So you will see that what happened. Let that it give me an error. Name was also declared here, where it is said that name was declared here. Let name. Okay, let's use here the var name. Do I have any other where I did declare the name? Let's just delete this file. Okay, and instead of name, maybe the name variable, we can use here my name, maybe the variable name confusion. Then I can simply transpile this file app.ts, and you see now I have the app.js. And then what I can do, node app.js, and you will see both the output are here and all set. Thank you very much for watching this video.